Welcome to EQ360, the ultimate assessment for understanding and elevating your emotional intelligence and accessing your full potential. EQ360 is designed to measure your emotional intelligence, abilities, and potential for success in all areas of life: professional, academic, and personal. But what exactly is EQ? EQ stands for emotional intelligence, the key to a healthier, happier, and more impactful life. It's about understanding and managing your emotions, as well as recognizing and empathizing with the emotions of others, now considered one of the most important skills in our ever-changing world. At EQ360, our vision is clear: to create a world where individuals lead healthier, happier, and more impactful lives through emotional intelligence. Our mission is to empower individuals, teams, and organizations with the foundation for agility, resilience, and leadership skills to excel in today's dynamic environments. We believe that by developing emotional intelligence, you can navigate challenges with grace, bounce back from setbacks, and become a true leader in your field. Our core values guide us. Authenticity, empathy, and a growth mindset are the pillars of our journey. We believe in fostering authentic connections, embracing empathy to understand and support others, and cultivating a mindset of continuous growth and learning. Prioritizing emotional intelligence leads to self-awareness, resilience, and meaningful relationships within ourselves, our organizations, and our communities. This will improve your ability to communicate, develop healthy relationships, and make effective decisions, as well as to access greater happiness and fulfillment in life. Ready to take your life to the next level, discover your true potential, and enhance your emotional intelligence? Then look no further than EQ360. Visit our website, myeq360.com, or contact us today to embark on your EQ360 journey. Tap into your inner power and create a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and success. EQ360, empowering emotional intelligence for a better you.